Hey, gang, this is Anybody Can Be a Star on YouTube 5. This video's topic is cross-posting. Let's say you feel you tightened your niche a little too tight doing underwater basket weaving. That's it. But you got a funny pet. Hey, post those pictures of Fluffy and the parrot snuggled together asleep. You know, the dog doing stupid stuff. You know, your lizard. Whatever.
I'm taking the dog. Oh, yeah, that. Yeah, well, there's some. Not a lot.
Anyway, cross-posting. Your underwater basket weaving videos aren't taking off. Hey, maybe even your stupid pet videos, you know? Try a different genre. I mean, I just recently passed a milestone as a YouTube poster. I just saw my name. It said, okay, I'll start over here. For on your TV screen, it said, Wayne A. Caron viewers also watch. Me. The algorithm said, Poppy's Workshop like lovers like these guys too. Cross post. That algorithm will say, he has the ability to irritate people in 3 or 4 different genres of video. There's a couple of JPEGs and maybe a 20-second video of, I mean, it meant a lot to me. Good night.